That
To
is
which
the
entrance did you take the accused to?
that is the entrance next to the shopping complex.
Ile ndawo yokungena ke eseduze ke nala kunezitolo khona ke noma entrance le eseduze ne shopping complex.
Is it the only entrance or is it the only shopping complex?
My lord, I can't say that. I don't even know that area. So the driver was the one who drove to that direction.
Angeke ngikusho ukuthi yona kuphela ke le ndawo enezitolo angiyazi ke le ndawo noma le area umshayeli uyena owa driver ke waye ngakulolo hlangothi lolo.
Mr. Spear is going to deny that he gave you the directions to that particular place where you allege he has made a pointing out. He will deny that.
My lord, I would not have known those points if they were not pointed out by him.
Ngangeke ngizazi ke lezo ndawo noma lawo ma points uma kuukuthi ayengakhonjiwe uyena.
It is further my instruction regarding, or let me just put it this way. Did he ever directed you to that particular place? Did he actually instruct the driver to turn right, left, stop?
My lord, we took him to, he said we must take him to the entrance. From that area, he said, now I see. And then he directed it.
What? Asimthathe simsekela kungena khona noma ke ku entrance. Ukusuka lapho ke wasethi manje ke sengiyabona ke kwaba uyena ke manje osesitshela noma sesikhombisa.
Yes, may I repeat that question? Did he direct you or did he direct the driver? If he says yes, now I can see. But was he directing the driver to say he must turn left, he must turn right?
Yes.
Uyena ke wayitshela ke umshayeli ukuthi manje ke usungajika ke ekunxele usungajika ke kwesokudla.
The accused will deny that. He will dispute that.
That's what happened.
Uma uthi ke uzophika yiloko okwenzeka.
The version on the 5th of June 2020, according to his version, he doesn't even know that particular place. The only place where he was taken to, where he saw that he was at Fosloras, was at the hostel in Fosloras, because he was residing there previously. That's the only place he saw.
That's not correct, my lord. I did not even know the points that he pointed me, except being directed by him.
Ukuthi ke wayengazazi ke noma indawo awayeyazi ke eFosloras hostel ngoba wayehlala lapho akusilona iqiniso ngoba ke mina ke lama points lezi ndawo ngangazazi mina uyena owayeyikhomba.
It is further my instruction that he was coerced to point at a place or at that particular place that he didn't know. He was never there previously.
He was never coerced by me, my lord, and he never reported ever being coerced by anyone else.
Akakaze aphoqwe yimina ukuthi ke akakhombe futhi ke akakaze asho kumina ukuthi ukhona owamphoqa ukuthi akakwenze lokho.
Let me just get back to the version to establish the history of assault, or as from the 30th of May 2020. For the point of correction that from the error that has occurred on putting that in version, I was instructed to inform you that when he was arrested on the 30th of May 2020, he was taken to a certain place in Litabong. It's a municipality area where he was assaulted. He was suffocated by the police. Furthermore, he was taken to, after that, Yes. The Tabong is in Tembisa. After Tembisa, he was taken to Foslorus, where he was further.
No, I,
and the Tabong ethembile bathi ekamasipala anginalwazi lwalokho.
He was also assaulted at the Kloof police station in the office, where during the assault, Colonel Mboto entered the office and the assault stopped. Do you have knowledge of that?
no, I don't have.
Nokuthi waqhutywe kwakhe washaywa ke eshaywa epolice station lase Deep Kloof kunehhovisi lapho kwathi masengena ke uKennel Mboto base beyeka ke kumshaya naloko angikwazi.
And Colonel Mboto was in possession of documents which he presented to the accused to sign. And he said to him, if you don't sign this document, I will let these people to continue assaulting. Do you have knowledge of that?
My lord, I don't have knowledge.
Nalokho ke angikwazi ukuthi ke uKennel Mboto wangena lapho ke ephethe ama documents ewabonisa ke noma watshengisa yena umsolo athi ke nake akasayende uma kuukuthi akasayindi uzobadedela ke lapho ukuthi baqhubeke ke bamshaye angikwazi lokho.
Thank you, my lord. That concludes my cross-examination.
Thank you. Mr. Mnisi?
As it is the court, just a few aspects of clarification. As it is the court,
Yep.
Thank you, sir. You had told the court in your evidence in chief that the pointing out that you conducted with accused number 1 was your fourth one, not so?
That's true.
Ngishilo ke ukuthi lena ke pointing out ngakuyenza no accused number 1 kwakuyisimo.
Am I then, I'm trying to thread very carefully. Would you say then I'm making a mistake when I were to say to you, you basically were in your fledgling stages, in your nascent, like in your budding stages in terms of the processes of taking down, pointing out?
I don't know what you mean.
This means you were still new. You had not yet had or accumulated a lot of experience in terms of taking pointing outs.
My
Not
lord-
in general, but taking pointing out.
My lord, in terms of pointing out and experience-based, experience one gains it by doing the pointing out and later on giving evidence in court about it. So if my fourth one is at infancy, I doubt it.
Isipiliyoni ke usithola ngokuthi ngokumayela ke nawo ke ama pointing out ngokuthi uwenze uye kuona ubese uyeza ke uzonikeza ngobufakazi enkantolo ukuthi ke manje ngangingeba kabi naso ke isipiliyoni hayi lokho ngiyakugabaza.
I don't want to leave at this point, but at that moment in time, when you were requested to go take a pointing out or to assist with a pointing out in respect of accused number 1, did you regard yourself as an experienced person in taking down or in taking pointing outs or in conducting pointing outs?
Yes.
Mina ke ngaleso sikhathi ngicela ukuthi angihambe ke ngiyosiza ngalena mayelana naye ke accused number 1 ngangithatha nanje ngomuntu ke owaziyo lo msebenzi noma ke onesipiliyoni.
Thank you. Before I forget this one, and after you've taken this pointing out, did you submit your statement as a witness where you detailed how the pointing out went went on and stuff like that? An
Yes.
affidavit.
Yes, I did, my lord.
Ekamuva ke sengiqedile istatement sami ngasindlulisa ke la engangichaza khona ke ukuthi pointing out iyahamba kanjani noma yenzeka kanjani.
Maybe I need to explain it to you before there's a bit of a confusion. I mean a statement is a witness, not a statement that you could have taken at the time at which the pointing out was being done. Do you understand? Statement is a witness.
Yes, I did, my lord.
Yebo istatement nanjengofakazi yebo ngasenza.
I don't want to labor the point, but it is unfortunate. I think maybe I need to simply say it very open and succinctly that unfortunately that statement, I'm talking on my behalf, it was never discovered to me. But nonetheless, it could be neither here nor there. But let's proceed. Thank you.
There's the statement according to Mr. Baloyi.
It's only coming up now, my lord. That is exactly what I'm trying to get at, my lord, that up until this witness started to proffer his testimony, I never had sight of the statement that he made where he detailed how the pointing out actually progressed as a witness. I
Mr.
never
Baloyi,
had sight of it.
You never discovered that statement.
Well, since the acquaintance after there was an omission on the route, but there is a statement.
Was it discovered, Mr.
I think this is the court, my lord. My lord, this is for the first time that I have sight of this document.
Right, Mr. Mamalo? First time you saw the document. And Recons, what's your time there?
10 to 12 minutes.
10 to 12, my lord.
10 to 12.
Yes.
I'll come back at 2.
As
You
it
can
is the
take
court.
instructions.
We appreciate the indulgence. Thank
Yeah,
you, madam.
and then we can
Can I have statement
cross-examine,
again?
even Mr. Mgomezulu, if you want to read, cross-examine in view of the statement, you can do so.
Court business.
Who doesn't use it?